Waking up to a brand new day. Sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment's a story to be told. Through ups and downs we stand tall. Together we can conquer.
Hi amazing people, welcome back to my channel. Trust you all are doing good. Yeah, another beautiful day, another beautiful vlog here. So guys, I would like to take you guys along. Okay, today I'm going to be starting my first treatment for my teeth. Yeah, if you want to see how I went for the checkup, it is already on this channel. Okay, so today they are going to be starting the first treatment. They call it Reinigon. So I would like to take you guys along, but I don't actually know if I am allowed to go in with my camera. But let's watch and see how it's gonna be. Okay, so come with me and let's go. Because how can I get for half? So guys, I'm done dressing up now. Okay, you can see me with my winter jacket. Outside is cold. Oh more, don't play with this weather. He's not smiling at all. So my handbag is ready. Join me and let's go. These are my kids. They are ready for school already. Hi Kinder. They are ready for school.
Waking up to a brand new day. Sunshine smiles and we're on our way. From the kitchen to the open road, every moment's a story to be told. Through ups and downs we stand tall. Together we can conquer all. Life's an adventure, come along. In every vlog, we find our song. Family, friends, and places new. Cooking dreams and skies so blue. From city lights to mountain highs, sharing laughs and heartfelt goodbyes. In the kitchen where flavors blend, creating memories that never end. Every journey, every mile.
Guys, we are still on traffic. Almost 30 minutes now. And I'm late. But anyways, I've called them on phone. I've called them. So in 20 minutes time, we are going to arrive there. Okay. I'm wondering on it. So guys, we just arrived now, so I'm going in. I'm late. Alright. I'm late. Come with me, let's go. I'm even talking. Followed another direction. Hey God, I forgot where I'm going to. This is the information I have to make. Okay, I have to make. I'm going upstairs now. I need to check up. So guys, I'm done. I'm done. It was not easy. Hi.
Ça va. C'est ça, les diabètes. Madame, sont pas y aller.
So guys, now we are on our way home. So there is I don't know the name of the liquid stuff that they applied on the teeth, so I was told I'm not going to eat or drink anything for 1 hour. Okay. Thank God today's own is done and dusted. So are you guys going to come with me? Oh yeah, let's go home. So guys, our lunch dinner is ready. So I prepared lentils. Okay, lentils moi moi. Oh, you can see guys, this is what we're going to be having for dinner. After resting for picking my daughter up from kindergarten, I was able to prepare this. Okay, this lentils moi moi. Lentils moi moi. This is what we're going to be having for dinner. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to support your girl by subscribing. Alright, see you guys in our next one, and remember, bye.